On this channel, I upload English listening videos for different levels every day. You can improve your English by listening. If you're ready, let's begin. On Saturday morning, Lena woke up early in her small apartment in Porto. The sun was bright and the air felt warm. She smiled because it was her favorite day of the week. Saturday was market day, and she loved to buy fresh fruit and bread. Lena put on a light jacket and took a small cloth bag. She checked her phone and her keys, and then she left home. On the street, people walked quickly, and some shops were already open. Lena felt happy and relaxed. She had no work that day, so she wanted a calm morning. At the market, the place was full of color and noise. There were oranges, tomatoes, flowers, and big jars of honey. Lena stopped at a bread stand and bought 2 warm rolls. The seller smiled and said, "Have a nice day." Lena said, "Thank you," and she walked to the fruit area. She chose apples and bananas, and then she paid. After that, she went to a small coffee cart because she wanted a hot drink. She stood in line and looked at the menu. When it was her turn, she reached into her bag to take her wallet. Her hand touched only the cloth bag and the bread. The wallet was not there. Lena's smile disappeared. Her stomach felt tight, and her face became hot. She looked again, slowly, and she moved everything in the bag. No wallet. She checked her jacket pockets. Nothing. "Oh no," she whispered. Lena felt scared because her wallet had her bank card, her bus pass, and her ID card. She thought about the walk from her apartment. She thought about the bread stand. She thought about the fruit seller. She did not know what to do, so she stepped to the side and took a deep breath. A man at the coffee cart looked at her. He asked, "Are you okay?" Lena said, "I lost my wallet. I can't find it." The man nodded and said, "Maybe you dropped it. Go back to the first stand. Sometimes people find things and keep them safe." Lena said, "Thank you," and she walked quickly through the market. She went back to the bread stand first. Her heart beat fast because she worried someone took it. The bread seller saw her and asked, "Do you need something?" Lena said, "Yes, I think I lost my wallet." The seller pointed to a small box under the table. "Is it black with a red line?" he asked. Lena's eyes opened wide. "Yes, that's mine." The seller took it out and gave it to her. "You left it here when you paid," he said. "I saw it, so I put it in the box." Lena held the wallet with both hands. She felt very thankful and a little silly. "Thank you so much," she said. "I was very worried." The seller smiled. "It happens. Have a good day." Lena walked back to the coffee cart and bought her drink. Now she felt calm again, and she enjoyed the warm coffee. She went home slowly, and she smiled because the day was still good. Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.